what's up, boys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and welcome back to the mini bike series. I was just about to start taking this carburetor off, then I realized, hey, gotta film it for the YouTube, you know? We got the brand new carburetor right here. Literally the same exact thing that's on it. So, we're just gonna get right into it, take it off, pop it back on, you know? Okay, so basically the last clip got corrupted, but, well, not the last clip, but the one of me taking the old one off got corrupted. But now we got the new one on there, and you know it's up in the air, off the table. So now we just gotta let her down slow. Now we're gonna bring her out, you know, to reduce time this video. I'm just gonna cut to the next clip. We're out here by the road right now. I did get it started up. I have ridden it. It is so much fun. It's not that fast because it's only a 97cc, but it's still pretty damn fast. So I'm just gonna get some flybys. I'm gonna leave the mic here though, because it's not gonna be a long enough connection. So that right here on my phone. Let's go. All right. Kill switch off. Kickstand up. Hold the brake so it don't run away on me. Sure. All right. So we're out here. We're just gonna get some flybys real quick, because it's not much of a flyby, but because it's not that fast. But yeah. Enough short, so. Hell, we get the cops call on us. We get some good content. Get a quick little burn ski in there. Oh, oh my God! No way! Come on, little bike! Come on, little bike! Ah! Oh, I'm getting him! I'm getting him! Peace out, bitch! Yeah! I got this, bro. There's a car. I'm trying to stay in range for the mic. Wide open. Alright, so in this next clip you're about to see, it's going to be about a week after the rest of the stuff was filmed. I'm going to be honest, I haven't filmed anything with the mini bike. Nothing interesting has been going on with it, so what's the point in filming? But I have been enjoying it. It is really fun. So in this next clip I pulled the exhaust off just to see how loud it was. Kind of sounds like crap, I'm not going to lie, but what you gonna do? I do have something on order for it though. The exhaust is back on it because I cannot ride it around like this. And just let's roll the next clip. It definitely is a lot louder. We're going to have to put this exhaust back on for now. Alright, well I know it wasn't really that long of a video, but you know, there's nothing, like I said, there's nothing interesting that's been going on with it to film, so other than pulling the exhaust off, nothing else has happened. Other than I will say, I know, I should have been wearing a helmet this whole video. I do have a helmet now. And in that last clip, I probably should not have been wearing slides either, but I did that, and I was only on the road for like 5 minutes, so yeah. I'm aware it's kind of dangerous, but you know, it's alright. and I'm aware that I probably will get pulled over one day for it. I ain't gonna lie, kind of be a good video for that, you know. I do have more ideas with the mini bike, so hopefully we can make those happen, but this is actually the last part of the mini bike rebuild because it's running, driving. There's nothing else for it to do. So yeah, this is the end of the series, and it's a short last episode. But there's nothing else really to show, so yeah. I will say my back tire is getting really bald, and it's not for me doing burnouts. I think it's literally just because they're off-road tires on the road. So we got to figure something out with that. But if not, whatever. The tire's gonna pop. The tire's gonna pop. You know. But the engine's been running good. I'm gonna knock on something. But yeah. So hope you enjoyed this video and hope you enjoyed the series. There will be more to come with the mini bike or saying goodbye to the mini bike. I'm not gonna say too much, but or saying goodbye. But until next time, see ya. Okay, well, this is like the next day. I guess the video is not over. Rode it down the road, kinda, and pretty far down the road, actually. And I think I ran out of gas. Well, we're pushing it back now. Probably got a half a mile push to go. Sorry if the audio is bad. I don't have my mic with me. I wasn't planning on filming anything, so hopefully we're just out of gas. When you said 100 likes and I'll buy a pit bike.